Ever needed to give a freelancer or a developer access to your Shopify store, but you don't want to hand over your password or full control? That's where Collaborator Request Codes come in. They let you grant secure, limited access to your store. This allows people to help you with your store design, development, or store management. It's the safest way to let other people work on your store, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up. Let's go. To get started, log into your Shopify store. Scroll to the bottom left and click on Settings, and then go to Users. Now, click on Security. Under the Collaborators section, you'll see a 4-digit code. That's your Collaborator Request Code. Click to copy it and send it to the person who needs access. Once the collaborator submits a request to access your store, you'll receive an email notification. To accept their request, head over to the Users section in Shopify. Then click Request to see Open Collaborator Requests. Next, select the request you want to manage. In the Roles section, you'll see options to tweak what the collaborator can and can't access in your store. Shopify gives you various options here, so be very specific about what the person needs to do to avoid accidentally giving them too much freedom in your store. Once you're done, click Accept Request to finish the process. And that's it. If you've been watching our videos and you want more personalized help to grow your e-commerce store profitably, we can help. We've created a KeyCommerce Academy. It's a community of honest e-com store owners with step-by-step courses and live coaching calls every single week. We can give you direct feedback on your store and your ad campaigns every single week. It's built to help you get real results from your ads. I'll leave a link down below, go and check it out, and I'd love to see you on the inside. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Make sure to check out our other videos. This one here might be especially useful for you.